Imagine opening your mailbox to find a letter from your bank, only to discover that your credit score has plummeted. It's a nightmare, isn't it? A ruined credit score can feel like a dark cloud looming over your financial future. Let's talk about what a damaged credit score can mean for you. It's like a financial report card, and when it's not looking good, life can get tougher. Think about it. You're planning to buy your dream home, and you apply for a mortgage. But with a poor credit score, you might face difficulty securing that loan. Even if you do, the interest rates could be sky high, making the dream more expensive than you'd imagined. And it's not just about buying a home. Want to lease a new car? A bad credit score can make that tricky too. Need a new credit card? Banks might think twice before offering you one. And the impact extends beyond these obvious financial matters. Let's say you're moving to a new city and need to rent an apartment. Landlords often check credit scores to gauge if you're a reliable tenant. A low score could mean you're passed over for someone else. Even getting a job can be affected. Some employers check credit scores as part of their background checks. A poor score could be seen as a sign of financial irresponsibility, potentially costing you that job opportunity. So, a ruined credit score can lead to a cascade of obstacles, from securing loans to landing jobs, and can cause overall financial stress. It's like being in a financial thunderstorm without an umbrella. But what if we told you, it's not the end of the road? Yes, a ruined credit score can make things difficult, but it's not a life sentence. You can rebuild your credit score, and we'll show you how. So buckle up, because we're about to take a journey towards financial recovery and resilience. Financial experts often say that repairing credit is a marathon, not a sprint, so patience is key. Now, let's dive into some expert advice on how you can start this marathon and eventually cross the finish line with a healthier credit score. First things first, always pay your bills on time. This might sound very basic, but it's the backbone of credit repair. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your credit score, so make it a priority to pay all your bills by their due dates. Next, try to reduce your overall debt. This step might take a little longer, but it's crucial. Start by creating a budget and a plan to pay down your debt. You might need to make some sacrifices along the way, but remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Now here's a tip that might surprise you. Don't close your old credit cards even if you don't use them anymore. The length of your credit history plays a role in your credit score. So keeping old accounts open can help, as long as you're not accruing interest or paying annual fees. Another important habit to develop is regularly checking your credit reports for errors. Mistakes can happen, and they can hurt your credit score. If you find an error, dispute it right away. This can be a simple yet effective way to boost your score. Lastly, don't hesitate to get professional help if you need it. Credit repair companies have the expertise to navigate these waters and can help you dispute errors, negotiate with lenders, and set up repayment plans. They can be a valuable ally in your journey towards credit repair. Remember, these strategies aren't overnight fixes. Repairing your credit score is a process that requires consistent effort. It's like running a marathon. You can't expect to sprint the first mile and finish the race. But with patience, perseverance, and these expert tips, you can gradually improve your credit score. Remember, these strategies aren't overnight fixes, but with consistent effort, you can gradually improve your credit score. Scene script. Ever heard of credit repair companies? They're like your personal financial trainers, helping you get your credit score back in shape. Just as a personal trainer helps you to get fit and healthy, credit repair companies guide you towards financial wellness. They're experts in the complex world of credit scores and can help you navigate the rocky road to recovery. So, what exactly does a credit repair company do? Primarily, they dispute errors on your credit report. It's not widely known, but many people have errors on their credit reports that can negatively impact their score. Credit repair companies meticulously comb through your report, identifying and disputing these inaccuracies. This process can be time-consuming and confusing, but it's essential for improving your credit score. In addition to disputing errors, credit repair companies negotiate with lenders on your behalf. They can often help to lower interest rates, waive fees, and even get negative items removed from your credit report. This can be a game changer when it comes to your financial health. Credit repair companies also provide advice for future financial decisions. They can help you understand how different actions impact your credit score and guide you towards making choices that will help to improve it. This can be invaluable in preventing future credit issues and ensuring your financial stability. Now, it's important to note that not all credit repair companies are created equal. It's crucial to choose a reputable company that has a proven track record of success. Some companies may promise quick fixes and unrealistic results, but remember, Repairing your credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Also, be aware that there are costs involved. While these can vary, it's essential to weigh these costs against the potential benefits. In many cases, the improvement to your credit score and the financial opportunities that come with it can far outweigh the initial investment. With the right credit repair company by your side, you could see significant improvements in your credit score. So just like a personal trainer helps you to lose weight and build muscle, a credit repair company can help you to shed debt and build up your financial health. If hiring a credit repair company isn't your thing, don't worry. You can still take matters into your own hands. Let's dive into some DIY credit repair strategies that can help you get back on track. The first strategy is disputing credit report errors. It's not uncommon for credit reports to contain mistakes. These could range from minor inaccuracies to major errors that can significantly impact your credit score. Review your credit report thoroughly, and if you spot any inaccuracies, dispute them with the credit bureaus. They are obligated by law to investigate your dispute and correct the errors. The second strategy is negotiating with creditors. If you have outstanding debts, it might be worth reaching out to your creditors to negotiate a payment plan or even a debt settlement. Remember, it's in their interest to get some payment rather than none at all. So, don't hesitate to negotiate. Creating a budget is another effective strategy. By keeping track of your income and expenses, you can ensure you're living within your means and avoid falling further into debt. A good budget should account for all your expenses, from rent and bills to groceries and entertainment. Prioritize paying off your debts and saving for a rainy day. Finally, building new credit is a crucial part of credit repair. Start small, maybe with a secured credit card, and make sure to make your payments on time. This can show future lenders that you can manage your credit responsibly. While it might seem counterintuitive to take on more credit when you're trying to repair it, responsible use of credit can help boost your score over time. Remember, repairing your credit isn't an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. But with these strategies, you can start laying the groundwork for a better financial future. Your financial future is in your hands. It's time to take control and start repairing your credit. A ruined credit score isn't a life sentence. You have the power to turn things around. You see, the journey to financial stability and peace of mind starts with a single step, and that step is acknowledging that you can and should take action. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the weight of a damaged credit score, but remember, every mountain begins as a mere molehill. The key is to start small and stay consistent. You can begin by paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, and keeping your credit card balances low. These steps may seem simple, but they can create a significant impact on your credit health over time. A good credit score is not just about numbers. It's a reflection of your financial habits and discipline. It's about showing lenders that you're reliable, responsible, and trustworthy. And more importantly, a good credit score can open doors to opportunities that can transform your life and the lives of those you care about. Think about it. A good credit score can help you secure a lower interest rate on a loan, giving you the chance to own a home, start a business, or pursue higher education. It's your ticket to accessible credit, allowing you to manage unexpected expenses or invest in your dreams. It's a safety net that gives you the freedom to make choices that can secure your family's future and your peace of mind. So, don't let a ruined credit score define you. You have the power to change your narrative. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are credit repair companies out there ready to support you, to guide you, to help you navigate the complex world of credit repair. But it all starts with you. It starts with the decision to take control of your financial health. It starts with the commitment to create a better future for yourself and your loved ones. So, what are you waiting for? Start your credit repair journey today and open the door to a brighter financial future.